Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to study about AUKUS, that is a partnership for the Indo-Pacific. So what is AUKUS all about? Because this topic was in news on 16th of September 2021, the Hindu newspaper. So we are going to study all about AUKUS in detail. डिटेल में हम AUKUS के बारे में पढ़ेंगे आज. ठीक है, 16 सितंबर का जो हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर था ना, उसके अंदर ये टॉपिक जो था वो डिस्कस हुआ था. So let's see what is this topic all about. Also this topic is important for your preliminary examination. ये टॉपिक आपका जो है ना, ये प्रीलिम्स के एग्जामिनेशन के लिए काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो हम उसको इसी प्रीलिम्स के अकॉर्डिंग पढ़ेंगे. एंड ऑल्सो द न्यूक्लियर सबमरीन दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी टुडे इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर मेंस जीएस पेपर 3. So let us understand, and the class PDF will be uploaded on the Telegram channel. दैट इज सिंप्लीफाइंग यूपीएससी विद ईज. क्लास का जो पीडीएफ होगा वो टेलीग्राम चैनल पे अपलोड हो जाएगा, जिसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी दिया हुआ है. तो वहां से आप पीडीएफ को भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. द क्लास विल बी इन बायलिंगुअल लैंग्वेज, दैट इज बोथ हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश विल बी यूज्ड. ओके, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो अभी राइट नाउ ना द यूएस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हैज अनाउंस्ड a trilateral security partnership, and it's a new trilateral. Trilateral means three parties are involved. Tri का मतलब क्या है? 3 countries or 3 parties are involved, and it's a security partnership. First thing that you need to remember about AUKUS is that it is S, S stands for, it is a security partnership. ये जो S है इसका मतलब है security partnership. Okay, and it is a, ये जो पूरा है इसमें 3 parties are involved. So what are these 3 countries which are involved? These are Australia, then we have UK, and then we have US. That is why the name is AUKUS. AU means Australia. Okay, AU का मतलब ऑस्ट्रेलिया हो गया. UK means United Kingdom and US means United States. Okay, so that is how AUKUS comes from. Australia, UK and United States. It's a 3-party security partnership, and it is for which reason? It is for the Indo-Pacific region. ये इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन के लिए सिक्योरिटी पार्टनरशिप किया गया है. So far we have understood 3 things about AUKUS. So it's a partnership because security partnership है. So it will continue for the next 18 months, और इसमें ना ऑस्ट्रेलिया को न्यूक्लियर प्रोपल्शन टेक्नोलॉजी प्रोवाइड कराई जाएगी. Okay, in this partnership, UK-US together will provide Australia with a nuclear propulsion technology. And as a part of this, Australia will also acquire nuclear powered submarines. किसकी help से? UK-US की help से. So Australia over here is being helped by UK and US to get nuclear propulsion technology, and Australia will also acquire nuclear powered submarine. Please make this flow chart so that it will become easy for you to revise afterwards. Okay, now Australia's nuclear powered submarines जब ये यूज में आएंगे, these submarines will be armed with, they will be equipped with conventional weapons only, not the nuclear weapons but the conventional weapons. So another important point, ये point याद रखना, in prelims they can ask you statement based questions. They will give you 3 statements on AUKUS. They will ask you which of the following is or are true, or which of the following is or are false. इस तरीके के question बन जाते हैं. So you have to be prepared with each and every statement. Before we move further, here's a small announcement. Unacademy is starting new batches for UPSC CSE 2022 and 23 aspirants starting from 22nd of September. We have a 1-year batch. These batches will be in Hindi also, in English also, separate Hindi batches, separate English batches. All of them are starting from 22nd of September. And in these batches, we will cover NCERTs also. हम NCERTs भी cover करेंगे. We will cover the pre-syllabus also complete. We will cover the main syllabus also, and we are covering optionals also. If you take the optional combo pack ना, अगर आप GS का combo subscription आज लेते हो तो आपको इसमें NCERTs भी कवर करके दी जाएंगी, प्री का भी सिलेबस कवर होगा, मेंस का भी सिलेबस कवर होगा, ऑप्शनल भी, और इन सबकी टेस्ट सीरीज, इवैल्यूएशन, बुक्स भी आपको घर तक भेजी जाएंगी. बुक्स विल बी डिलीवर्ड टू योर हाउस, एंड यू विल गेट 101 टेस्ट सीरीज कवरिंग प्री, मेंस एंड ऑप्शनल, एंड आंसर इवैल्यूएशन विल बी डन, 1-on-1 मेंटरिंग विल बी डन, इंडिविजुअल आपका मेंटरशिप सेशन भी होगा. कोई भी डाउट है आप उसको इंडिविजुअली क्लास में सॉल्व करवा सकते हैं. वी हैव अ लाइव मेंटरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर इन यू विल गेट पर्सनल कोचिंग personal individual doubt solving, evaluated test series, unlimited access, structured courses जो हम timely manner पे complete करेंगे. Over here you can see these are structural courses. We have prepared a timeline how we are going to cover your journey of 2023, or if you are given for 2022 attempt, we have a separate journey structure which have been created for you. तो आप क्या करोगे, disciplined manner में हमारे साथ तैयारी करोगे, एग्जाम से पहले रिवीजन भी हो जाएगी आपकी कम से कम 3 बार. ओके, सो यू कैन यूज कोड अर्पिता10 so that you can get 10% डिस्काउंट on your plus subscription. इस कोड को यूज करके 10% ऑफ मिल जाएगा आपको, and the links are given below in the description box. Make sure that you subscribe today. So when we talk about the AUKUS pact, first thing that we have learned is there are 3 member countries in this pact, and second point, it's a security partnership pact. Third important point, it is in the Indo-Pacific region. Fourth important point, US and UK are helping Australia to get the nuclear propulsion technology, and for that Australia will acquire the nuclear based सबमरीन्स. जितने भी न्यूक्लियर पावर्ड सबमरीन्स है ऑस्ट्रेलिया उसको एक्वायर करेगा, एंड इन दिस यूएस एंड यूके आर गोइंग टू हेल्प ऑस्ट्रेलिया. दीज आर द 4 important points so far that we have studied. Fifth important point was that this Australia's nuclear powered submarine it will use conventional weapons only, not the nuclear weapons, conventional weapons. nuclear powered submarine है, इसमें nuclear weapons नहीं होंगे. ठीक है, तो nuclear technology जो है ना, propulsion technology, that is only being used in this submarine. nuclear weapons will not be included in the submarine, so it is using conventional weapons only. Okay, so what was China's reaction? Because China is also trying to dominate the Indo-Pacific region. So how did China respond to this formation of a security partnership pact? So China condemned the agreement as usual. हमें पता है, obvious है ये तो. China dominate करने की सोच रहा है इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन को, और जब वो देखेगा कि यूएस यूके और ऑस्ट्रेलिया मिलकर इस रीजन में एक पैक्ट बना रहे हैं तो चाइना तो कंडेम करेगा ही. China is saying it is extremely irresponsible, the alliance is undermining, it is disrespecting the regional peace and stability, it shall reinvent a cold war mentality, etc, etc. These are China's claim, because China, we all know, is trying to dominate over the South China Sea region also, Indo-Pacific region also. Any kind of pact that will be formed in these regions, China will automatically feel threatened, right? So let us understand what is a nuclear powered submarine. देखो इंडिया के पास भी ना ये कैपेसिटी है. जब से हमने सोवियत बिल्ड K-43 चार्ली क्लास SSN एक्वायर किया ना 1987 में, तब से हमारे पास भी ये पावर है अबाउट दिस न्यूक्लियर पावर्ड सबमरीन. सो द न्यूक्लियर पावर्ड सबमरीन्स आर मच फास्टर एंड हार्डर टू डिटेक्ट than the conventionally powered submarines. They can also stay submerged for months. They can shoot missiles at longer distances, and having them stationed in Australia is very critical to US influence in the region, as per the analyst. Now, once the Australia gets this nuclear powered submarine, it will become the 7th nation in the world to operate a nuclear powered submarine after US, UK, France, China, India and Russia. अगर ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने ये एक्वायर कर लिया तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया 7th नेशन बन जाएगा जिसके पास न्यूक्लियर पावर्ड सबमरीन है. तो this point is important for prelims. You have to remember which countries possess the nuclear powered submarines. We have US, we have UK, we have France, China, India, Russia. Right now Australia has not purchased, or you can say acquired, this nuclear powered submarine. No, after this pact the nuclear powered submarine will be given to Australia by US, UK. अभी तो बस बात हुई है. Okay, so you can remember it like this, U to the power 2 FCIR और FICR. Okay, इस तरीके से आप याद कर सकते हो इसका निमोनिक बनाकर. So I hope this is clear now. So this was all about the AUKUS partnership for the Indo-Pacific. Now I hope you will remember this till your examination also. On this note, we are wrapping up the session. Thank you everyone for participating in the lecture.